Bonjour et bienvenue à Lingolade. Hello and welcome to Lingolade. I am Frosty, your host for today. Today, we are going to meet Twinklehoof the reindeer, who will be teaching young Max, a curious little boy, about Christmas phrases and French traditions. This lesson is perfect for A1, A2 level learners of French, so don't worry if you're just starting out. Together we'll explore fun French Christmas greetings, vocabulary about holiday traditions, a short story featuring Twinklehoof, a quiz to test what you've learned. So get cozy, grab a hot chocolate, and let's begin our adventure.
Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everyone, I am Twinklehoof, and I'm so excited to share some magical French Christmas traditions with you. Did you know that in France, Christmas is called Noël? There's so much to learn and enjoy. Bonjour Max! Today, we're going to learn some fun French Christmas greetings. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I've always wanted to learn some French Christmas phrases.
Super! Let's start with an important one. Joyeux Noël. Can you say it with me?
Joyeux Noël, that means Merry Christmas, right?
Très bien. Exactly, Max. It means Merry Christmas. Let's try another. Bonne année.
Bonne année, that's Happy New Year, isn't it?
Excellent, Max. You're absolutely right. That's how you wish someone a Happy New Year. Now, how about something simpler? Salut. It's a friendly way to say hi.
Salut, that's such a fun word to say.
Parfait. And finally, one more phrase. Comment ça va? It means how are you? Let's practice. Comment ça va?
Comment ça va? So that's how I can ask someone how they're doing?
Bravo, Max. You've got it. Now let's try a little conversation. I'll say something and you respond. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Salut, Max. Comment ça va?
Salut, Twinklehoof. Ça va très bien, merci. That means I'm very well. Thank you, doesn't it?
Magnifique. You're a quick learner, Max. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll be spreading Christmas cheer in French in no time. Max, bienvenue au marché de Noël. Welcome to the Christmas market. Here, we can learn some fun French Christmas words. Are you ready?
I can't wait, Twinklehoof. This place looks amazing. What's the first word?
Let's start with le sapin de Noël. Do you see that big tree over there? That's le sapin de Noël.
Oh, the Christmas tree. Le sapin de Noël. Got it.
Parfait. Next we have les cadeaux. Do you see all those wrapped presents under the tree?
Yes, they look so shiny. Les cadeaux means the gifts, right?
Exactly, Max. You're catching on quickly. Now take a look at all the beautiful les décorations hanging from the stalls and the tree.
Wow, the decorations are so pretty. Les décorations must mean decorations.
You've got it. And here's another one. Le marché de Noël. That's where we are right now. The Christmas market.
Oh, so le marché de Noël is the Christmas market. I love it here.
Me too, Max. And finally, one of my favorites. La bûche de Noël. It's a delicious Yule log cake that many people enjoy during Christmas in France.
That sounds yummy. La bûche de Noël. I'll have to try one someday.
Très bien, Max. Let's go over the words one more time to make sure we remember them. Le sapin de Noël. The Christmas tree. Les cadeaux. The gifts. Les décorations. The decorations. Le marché de Noël. The Christmas market. La bûche de Noël. The Yule log cake.
I think I've got them, Twinklehoof. Can we try an activity to practice?
Of course. I'll describe something and you guess the word in French. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. It's tall, green, and has lots of lights and ornaments.
That's easy. Le sapin de Noël.
Bravo, Max. Next one. It's small, wrapped in shiny paper and placed under the tree.
That's les cadeaux.
Exactly. One more. It's something sweet that looks like a log, and you eat it at Christmas.
La bûche de Noël.
You did it, Max. Fantastique. Keep practicing, and you'll know these words like the back of your hand. Max, it's story time. I want to share a magical tale about how Christmas is celebrated in France. Are you comfortable?
Yes, Twinklehoof. I'm ready to hear all about it.
Wonderful! In France, we have many special traditions, and one of my favorites involves Le Père Noël, Father Christmas. Did you know that French children don't hang stockings by the fireplace like they do in other places?
Really? What do they do instead?
Well, they leave their shoes by the fireplace. They hope that Le Père Noël will fill them with gifts and treats. Imagine waking up to find your shoes brimming with surprises.
That's so cool. What else is different?
Another tradition is Le Réveillon, which is a big Christmas Eve feast. Families gather together to enjoy a delicious meal that can last for hours. They eat all sorts of special dishes like la dinde au marron, turkey with chestnuts, and of course, la bûche de Noël.
That sounds delicious. What about decorating for Christmas?
In France, the Christmas tree, or le sapin de Noël, is often beautifully decorated, but there's also a focus on la crèche, the nativity scene. Many families have elaborate nativity displays with little figurines called santons, which means little saints. These scenes often include not just Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus, but also villagers, animals, and even bakers and shepherds.
I love that. It makes it feel like a whole village is celebrating.
Exactly, Max. And here's something even more magical. In some regions, like Alsace, they have beautiful Christmas markets called les marchés de Noël. These markets are filled with twinkling lights, festive music, and stalls selling handcrafted gifts, warm mulled wine, and gingerbread.
Wow, I would love to visit a Christmas market someday.
You absolutely should. Now let me tell you a little story about one Christmas when Le Père Noël had to rely on me and my reindeer friends to deliver presents.
Really? What happened?
It was a snowy Christmas Eve, and Le Père Noël's sleigh was loaded with gifts for children all over France. But just as we were about to set off, a great gust of wind knocked his list out of his hands. The list floated far, far away into the forest.
Oh no, how did you find it?
Well, we reindeer have very good noses. I led the way, following the scent of the special ink Le Père Noël uses for his list. We galloped through the snowy woods, and just as the clock struck midnight, we found it stuck in a tree.
That's amazing, Twinklehoof. What happened next?
We brought the list back just in time, and with everyone working together, the presents were delivered before morning. Le Père Noël even let me keep a little bell from his sleigh as a thank you. And that, Max, is why teamwork and determination can make Christmas magic happen.
That's such a great story, Twinklehoof. I'm glad you were there to help.
Thank you, Max. And now it's time for a little quiz to see how much you remember about French Christmas traditions. Alright everyone, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember about French Christmas traditions and the fun words we learned today. Don't worry, I'll give you a moment to think before I reveal the answers. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do French children leave for Le Père Noël instead of stockings? If you said les chaussures, the shoes, you're absolutely right. They leave their shoes by the fireplace. Bravo! What do we call a Christmas tree in French? The answer is le sapin de Noël. Did you get it? Très bien. What is the name of the special Yule log cake enjoyed during Christmas in France? It's called la bûche de Noël. Delicious, isn't it? What do we call the beautiful nativity scenes in French homes, often filled with little figurines? Those are called la crèche, and the figurines are known as santons. Wonderful work if you remembered that. Here's a vocabulary challenge. How do you say decorations in French? The answer is les décorations. Simple, isn't it? What is the name of the festive Christmas markets found in France? They're called les marchés de Noël, such magical places to visit. Now, for a phrase, how do you say Merry Christmas in French? You got it. It's Joyeux Noël. Fantastic job, everyone. You've done so well. Keep practicing these words and traditions, and you'll be speaking about Christmas in French like a pro in no time. Merci beaucoup et joyeux Noël.
Thank you so much for joining us for today's Christmas special here at Lingo Ladder. Our mission is to help you improve your French listening skills while having a little fun along the way. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please share your feedback in the comments below. Your suggestions help us make every lesson even better. And remember, practice makes perfect. Joyeux Noël et à bientôt. Merry Christmas and see you soon.